Are you curious about buying cryptocurrency? You're not alone. Millions are entering this digital market. Cryptocurrency can seem confusing. But don't worry. Today, we'll break down the buying process step by step. Let's make it simple and clear. First, you need to choose a reliable exchange. Think of this as your marketplace for crypto. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Do some research to find which fits your needs best. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange. This typically requires some personal information. Things like your name, email, and a form of ID. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. You can usually deposit money via bank transfer or credit card. Choose a method that's most convenient for you. Now, let's talk about buying crypto. After funding your account, navigate to the cryptocurrency you want. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are popular choices to start. Select the amount you want to buy. Think about your budget and risk tolerance. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. After that, confirm your purchase. Review the details carefully before clicking that buy button. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your account. Keeping your cryptocurrency safe is next. You can store it on the exchange or transfer it to a private wallet. Wallets provide enhanced security. Hardware wallets are a great option for long-term storage. Now let's use an example. Imagine buying Bitcoin. You choose Coinbase, create your account, and fund it with $100. You buy 0.0025 Bitcoin at current market rates. After your purchase, you can choose to hold it or even sell later. The beauty of crypto is its flexibility. In summary, buying cryptocurrency involves choosing an exchange, creating an account, funding it, and making a purchase. Always ensure you understand the risks involved. Ready to step into the world of cryptocurrency? Start researching exchanges and create your account. Don't wait. Dive into this exciting digital future today.
Imagine turning your smartphone into a money-making machine. With Bitcoin and Ethereum trading apps, it's possible. The digital currency world is booming, and getting in now could pay off significantly in the future. Today, we'll explore the top 5 apps that could maximize your crypto investments in 2026. First, let's define the problem. Many people want to invest in cryptocurrencies but feel overwhelmed. They need an easy way to buy, sell, and trade. That's where trading apps come in. They simplify the process and make it accessible for everyone. Next, we'll dive into the step-by-step guide for using these trading apps. Start by selecting a reputable app that suits your needs. Look for features like low fees, security, and user-friendly design. Next, create an account. This usually requires an email and some basic personal information. Once you're registered, connect your bank account or card to fund your account. Now that you're set up, you can start trading. First, analyze market trends. Most apps offer charts and news feeds to help you make informed decisions. Buy Bitcoin or Ethereum when prices are low, and consider selling when they rise. Monitor your portfolio regularly to keep track of your investments. Let's take a closer look at our top 5 trading apps. First up is Coinbase. It's user-friendly and ideal for beginners. Next is Binance, known for its extensive trading options. Then we have Kraken, which offers robust security features. Fourth is eToro, perfect for social trading and learning from others. Finally, Robinhood allows commission-free trading, appealing to many investors. By using these apps, you can take advantage of the growing Bitcoin and Ethereum markets. With proper research and practice, You could see substantial returns on your investments. To summarize, shopping for the best trading app involves considering user experience, security, and accessibility. Our top 5 recommendations are Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, eToro, and Robinhood. Each app offers unique benefits that can help guide you in your trading journey. Now, it's time for action. Download one of these apps today. Start small, learn the ropes, and invest wisely. The future of crypto trading is bright, and you don't want to miss out.